Hi, Eva. Jonathan Fishman asked about permissions, and I wanted to explain how it works. The first is that we assign all of their users into groups. So they could be timekeeper, paralegals, attorneys, principals, which would be your equity partners, operators, someone like you, or outside accountant. And then we have these, 7 buckets to manage essentially the mapping of the permissions on it. In the billing one in particular, and the clients in matter, what you're looking for, then would probably be under the attorney mode. And this is where we do what Bills for Time does. And I'm not suggesting we can't evolve this to get what you want, but right out of the gate, it's going to be similar to what they do, at least what you've explained, which is, he can or cannot see rates. He can or not edit user rates or etc. Now, what I'm wondering is it really the rates that are at odds here or the reporting? Because there are ways to control some of the reports that Ben would see. Like, for example, revenue by attorney report. That's the compensation that would show collected revenue and all the comp. Other revenue reports, billable reports, etc. We can also, on a reporting thing, look to what is here, which you may not be as versed in the product. Sorry, I had to save that. Into our custom reports. And potentially a custom report will get Ben and others the data that they're looking for specifically, and that can be emailed. So if you're talking about that for the matters that Ben is responsible for, and he comes into a particular matter, and we want him to only see matters for the ones where we'd see Ben's name under responsible versus being a contributor like Chase here, we don't have a way to delineate that for when he is responsible. It's either he sees rates or he doesn't. So if you're concerned about rates, out of the gate, we don't. If you're concerned about reporting, we have some filters and controls that we can manage that, but we do not have the ability, and I'm asking, and I'll get feedback for you, the specifics around if Ben is responsible, give him certain rights. If Ben is just an attorney and a contributor, give him different visibility. So we don't have that, and I think that's explicitly what you're asking, and I will ask my team and get back to you on that. Okay. Take care.